Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Healer. Do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like and share and comment any type of medicine you need. I will teach you how to make skincare naturally at home using a simple herbs. This is the result of simple herbs we use to produce this herbal skincare medicine. This is the ingredient we use to produce this skincare medicine. Preparation methods using to make this medicine are to boil the tamarind leaf and the neem leaf for 40 minutes and add the turmeric and the oats to continue boiling to 1 hour. You can gently apply it to the infected skin spot.